Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today we're going to be talking all about skincare. You guys have been loving my skincare reviews, so I just wanted to share some products that I've been loving with you. So if this is your first time watching the beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications. Let's jump into the video. Alright, so the first thing I want to start with is cleanser. And Sand & Sky recently came up with a new product. It's called the Australian Pink Clay Deep Pore Cleanser. I absolutely love the pink clay from Sand & Sky. I've used it a lot. I've emptied multiple bottles. Definitely love it. Now they have a cleanser version. So this is a 4-in-1 purifying gel cleanser that easily lifts away makeup, clears congestion, tightens pores, and gently exfoliates skin every day without stripping moisture. So I've been using this avidly every day to wash my face. I absolutely love it. It has the loofah plant extract and AHA containing Australian finger lime extract, which gently exfoliates the skin while the clay purifies. So this is very similar to the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, but it is more affordable. So I would definitely recommend this one. If you wanted to try a deep pore cleanser, I would say this one is a really good option. It retails for $29 and you get 4.05 fluid ounces in it. You could also use my code. I'm going to put it up on the screen if you want to save money off of your Sand & Sky. My skin is feeling super soft and just ready to take all that good stuff that I'm about to put on it. So next I want to move on to the Australian Emo Apple Super Bounce Mask. I did a little tutorial on my Instagram with this. I absolutely love it. I double mask with it. I would say if you're looking for a really hydrating mask, this is a good one to try. It is also antioxidant rich because it has cacao plum, which is considered one of the richest sources of vitamin C to help revitalize the skin. It also has hyaluronic acid in it. You all know we love that ingredient. That helps with moisturization and keeping your face looking plump. So shout out to Sand & Sky. Next thing I want to talk about is the Biossance Squalane plus BHA Pore Minimizing Toner. Absolutely love this stuff. This is where I've reached in it. I'm trying to be more sustainable, guys, so I'm not using a cotton pad. I'm just going to pat it into my skin. And this is my second step after cleansing. I go ahead and tone with this. I think you could see my skin already it woke up, okay? This is really nice. It has squalane, which is a very moisturizing ingredient. Y'all know I love Biossance, love squalane. And it also has BHAs in it, so it's gonna help with minimizing pores. I have very enlarged pores on my cheeks, so it's been helping me with, keeping those looking small. There's nothing that can really shrink your pores, okay? Your pores are the way they are and they're like that until you die, but this could help minimize the appearance of it. So I've been using this day and night and I really like it. My skin looks very clear, very smooth, and I've incorporated this toner into my routine twice daily. I'm in love. So the toner retails for $48, and how much do you get in it? You get 4 fluid ounces in here, so you're gonna have this for a good time. Biossance is more on the luxe, I would say, mid-tier range, but their products are very effective. I would definitely recommend them. Biossance did send this product to me for a review. So some of the key ingredients are white willow bark extract, is a botanical source of BHA similar to salicylic acid, and it helps to unclog your pores, manage excess oil, and gently exfoliate your skin. So y'all know I have oily skin, so products like this I really like. So it's actually nighttime now, so what I'm going to talk about next is the Squalane plus Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. You'll know I did a partnership with Biossance and I reviewed this product on my channel last December. I absolutely love it. So I'm almost done with that one that I started to use last December, and they were kind enough to send me a re-up. I love vitamin C. It's a great source of antioxidants to help with environmental pollution. Vitamin C also helps to firm and give the appearance of more youthful skin. So yes, you all know I just entered my 30s, so I'm starting from now. I ain't playing no games with it. Another one that I really like as well is the Stubborn Marks treatment from Neutrogena. I did a campaign with them last year as well, and I'm so happy that I'm getting the opportunity to do these campaigns and find these bomb products at different price ranges. So the Biossance one I believe is $62. This one I believe is like $20. I'm gonna put the price up on the screen because I'm not sure, but I know it's more on the affordable side because you can get this at Target and it's from Neutrogena, and this one has retinol SA in it. This helps with the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone and sun damage. So I alternate these two, the vitamin serum and the Stubborn Max. I have one more treatment that I want to tell you guys about. It's the squalane plus lactic acid resurfacing night serum. So this is an AHA serum, and y'all, this really helps to refine the texture of your skin. Usually you hear about glycolic acid a lot. This one has lactic acid, and this is the first time I've ever used lactic acid as an exfoliator, and I absolutely love it. Now, this is going to tingle a little bit. If you have sensitive skin, I don't know if this might be the best thing for you. I have oily skin that is not sensitive at all, so I mean, I could kind of take the tingle, and it doesn't last for long, and it's not very uncomfortable. It's not like a burning sensation. It's just like a little tingle, and it goes away, you know, after a couple minutes. But this, wow, the texture of my skin after using this is so refined. It's so smooth. I love it. So I'm gonna use this one, and I like how the bottle, you kind of just shift it, and I'm gonna do 2 pumps, and I usually start like on the outskirts of my face, because this is like where I have hyperpigmentation mostly, and on my forehead. Get my mustache a little bit. Y'all, I'm like obsessed with Biossance, especially for nighttime. I use their products mostly in the nighttime. So they have a squalane marine algae eye cream. Definitely love this eye cream. I am an eye cream lover. This is super moisturizing, and I just like to use my ring finger and like gently massage it in under my. If you have like a roller or any type of tool that you use to roll in your eye cream, you could use that as well. Today I'm just going to use my fingers, but I just love how luxurious this feels. It feels really, really good. The hydration is real. My under eyes always feel super supple and plump after using this. I want to talk about the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. So I've been liking these a lot. I think that they're pretty gentle. I don't use them on my face though. I like to use them on my neck. So this is to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I thought that they were just a bit too gentle for my face. I wasn't really seeing any results. So I started using this on my neck because I do have some discoloration on my neck, you know, and in the morning and in the nighttime, I could just do a light pass of it, and that really helps. I recently started to give my neck love. Like, you know, when you do your mask, you need to bring everything like down to your neck and take care of the skin there. All right, moving on. Then I'm gonna talk about this moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. So another First Aid Beauty product is the Firming Collagen Cream, the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. And this is a new launch from them. You know, they have their regular Ultra Repair. I believe they have Ultra Repair Intense, which I actually really, really like, and I use in the daytime. But this firming one is a little smoother in texture. It gives more of a glow to your skin. And I mean, I don't know about the firming claims, to be honest. I'm gonna just be honest with you, and I can't really speak to that because, you know, I have young skin, so I don't know about the firming properties and all that. But absolutely love how it feels on the skin. It gives you more of a glow. You feel a little bit more hydrating than the regular Ultra Repair, so that's why I really, really like that. I want to mention the Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. So my friend Sephora bought this for me last year, but I've been so afraid to use it because I've heard bad things about this, and I saw people going crazy on TikTok and using it the wrong way and burning their skin. So I was kind of skeptical about it. I read a lot of reviews where people were like, yeah, they broke out, all that. But then I saw, do you guys know Dr. Lee on Instagram and TikTok? If you have blackheads or whiteheads in your nose, this is a good way to get rid of it. So you just put it on your nose, right? And you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. If it's tingling, if it's burning, that is bad. Rinse it off right away. But if it's fine, 5 to 10 minutes on the nose, I multi-masked. So like I did 5 to 10 minutes on my nose with the Ordinary, and then I put this around the rest of my face. My nose is feeling so soft. I don't know if you guys get this, but like when you squeeze your nose, so much whiteheads. I have like chronic whiteheads in my nose. Me and my sister always talk about it. And I have so much gunk that builds up in my nose, on the sides even. I'm always trying to really exfoliate it, and this worked wonders on it. So I'm gonna continue to do this. He said once a week. So I'm gonna try once a week for a month and see what happens, and then afterwards I could probably do it once every other week. And yeah, I'm happy that I found a way to use this product. But now that I've tried it just on my little bitty nose, I really like it, and I would recommend, if you have it, try it that way and see what you think. Then we're gonna move on to the lip products. So I have a new fresh sugar hydrating lip balm, and that is the mango one. I have to shoot some content with it, so I'm not gonna use that one tonight. But I also have passion fruit and have lychee. Y'all, I love these. Like the new ones, these came out recently too, but I think the mango is like the latest launch. Oh, but lychee is so good. It smells amazing. I love to put these on to sleep. Even though they're lightweight, they do give like sleeping mask vibe. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about a sunscreen. I feel like I've talked about this sunscreen on my channel before. It's coming up to being finished. When it comes to makeup, I'm a bit of a hoarder. When it comes to skincare, I feel like I use my skincare a lot, and I give away things that I don't really use. And then when it comes to sunscreen, I don't hoard sunscreen at all because I use it daily and I'm able to use it up. But I've decided that I'm going to use all my sunscreen before I buy a new one. So I have a nice little list, a short list of sunscreens that I would like to try, for different times. But this one from RAD, the Environmental Shield Essential C D Moisture Board Spectrum SPF 30, is what I've been really, really loving. It's almost done, and I like this a lot. It didn't burn my eyes, which was good, and it gave like a really nice glow to the skin. So when you put it on at first, you get that burst of like, yeah, juicy, and then it kind of dries to like a velvet finish on your skin. So it's not tight, it's not greasy, it's just very comfortable, and it really protects your skin from the sun. Then I want to move into one body care item. So it is the Josie Moran Argan Pro Retinol Whip Body Butter, and this is to smooth and firm. And I have one here, it's almost done. You can see the bottom of the pan. Love it. I have the original and I have this new retinol version. So it's pretty cool how they're putting retinol into body care products these days. I'm seeing a lot of brands do that, and I think I'm here for it because retinol is like a star ingredient that does wonders for your face. I can imagine what it would do for your body. Is amazing. It has like it doesn't really have a smell. This one is not fragranced. This is a moisturizer that gives a glow to your skin in between lotion and oil. It's like a combination of the both because it's like a whipped body butter. So yeah, I'm in love, 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 love with these. And you all know Fenty Skin just came out with a whipped body butter. So I'm interested to see how it will compare to Josie, because Josie been giving me life for a couple of months. And my Fenty Skin body butter review will be coming soon, of course. Look out for that. There's one more thing I want to tell you guys about. It's the Biosan Squalane plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. I think you can see that vitamin C is a trend here. Love that ingredient. Also love rose. So the combination of those two, I mean, I couldn't say no to that. And I started to incorporate oils into my skincare routine in the nighttime only. I can't use oils in the daytime. Y'all know this oily skin life would not allow me to use oils in the daytime. It's just not the look that I'm going for. Yeah, so definitely love that oil. It gives a nice glow to the skin, not too crazy. It's not like the oiliest of oils, which I like, but I'm loving the vitamin C benefits. I feel like it seals everything off, and I'm ready to go to bed. One thing I also want to mention before I get into this is do not over exfoliate your skin. If you're using these products that have these acids in them, you want to use it like 2 to 3 times a week. Like really monitor your skin. Make sure you're not over exfoliating. I talked about the toner, it has BHA in it. I talked about this serum, it has retinol in it. I talked about this resurfacing, it has lactic acid in it. You might want to do one every other night. Maybe on a Saturday and a Sunday, you don't use them at all. Let your skin breathe. Be smart about it. All these active ingredients, you can't be using them every day, every day, every day. You gotta give your skin a rest. That's all the skincare that I've been loving lately. Let me know if you heard any of your faves. Let me know if you're thinking of picking up anything that I suggested. All the links to all the products that I mentioned today will be in the description box. Don't forget, if you're purchasing from Sand and Sky, I do have an affiliate code so you could save some money. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Lil Beat on Instagram and The Beat Inc. on Facebook. And without further ado, have a great night, guys. Bye.